How to log out Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Instagram. Now logging out of Instagram account is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can open up your Instagram application, and there you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Basically you want to head into your profile. Once on profile, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can see, or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. And from here you want to head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now here what you want to do is you can scroll all the way down below, and you can see you'll get two different options that says log out of this particular account that you're logged in on, or log out of all the accounts that you are logged in on your device. So you can simply tap on log out if you just wish to log out, and now it's asking me to save, but I'll not save it. So simply tap on log out and you'll be able to log out. If you wish to log out of all accounts, you can simply tap on log out. So this way you can log out of Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.